knee pain, stiffness, and that familiar creaking sound. If you're over a certain age, chances are you've experienced these discomforts at some point. For many, these symptoms are simply accepted as part of the aging process. But what if I told you that knee pain doesn't have to be something you simply endure? What if there's a way to restore the cartilage in your knees and reduce pain naturally, without relying on expensive treatments or harsh medications? A 97-year-old orthopedic specialist who has dedicated his life to helping patients recover mobility is challenging the idea that knee cartilage damage is irreversible. After decades of experience, he shares one powerful secret. The key to rebuilding knee cartilage might already be in your kitchen. Yes, you can help regenerate your knee cartilage by simply changing what you eat. In this video, we'll explore the 9 most effective natural foods that have been scientifically proven to support joint health, reduce inflammation, and stimulate cartilage regeneration. These foods work from the inside out, offering long-term solutions to knee pain and stiffness. If you're ready to take control of your mobility and live pain-free, keep watching. This could be the game-changer you've been looking for. Number 9. Broccoli, the unsung hero for cartilage. Health broccoli is often considered one of the healthiest vegetables, and for good reason. This cruciferous vegetable contains sulforaphane, a potent compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it incredibly beneficial for joint health. Sulforaphane helps prevent cartilage degradation by blocking enzymes that break down cartilage, thus protecting and maintaining joint tissue. What makes broccoli even more powerful is that it contains vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen, a critical protein in cartilage. Collagen is what keeps your cartilage strong, flexible, and capable of withstanding the wear and tear of daily movement. By adding broccoli to your diet, you can help support the regeneration of cartilage and reduce inflammation that can contribute to further damage. Broccoli's versatility is another reason it's such a valuable food. You can toss it into salads, steam it lightly to preserve its nutrients, or even incorporate it into soups and stir-fries. Don't underestimate the power of this humble vegetable. It is a small change that can yield long-lasting improvements in your knee health. In fact, studies have shown that those who regularly eat broccoli often report better mobility and fewer flare-ups of knee pain. Number 8. Salmon, omega-3. Rich therapy for joints. Salmon is a food that packs a serious punch when it comes to joint health. Its high levels of omega-3 fatty acids are one of the key factors that make it beneficial for reducing inflammation, which is often the root cause of cartilage damage. Chronic inflammation speeds up the breakdown of cartilage, but omega-3s help reduce this inflammation, making it easier for your body to maintain healthy joints. What's more, salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, which plays an essential role in collagen production. As mentioned earlier, collagen is vital for maintaining cartilage integrity, and a steady supply of protein helps your body repair and rebuild cartilage more effectively. Omega-3s and protein work in tandem to help regenerate and protect cartilage, making salmon a top-tier food for joint support. Aside from its anti-inflammatory benefits, salmon is also rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting joint cells from damage and oxidative stress. Grilled, baked, or even raw in dishes like sushi, salmon is a versatile and delicious way to support knee health. For the best benefits, opt for wild-caught salmon, as it typically has higher levels of omega-3s compared to farmed varieties. Whether you enjoy it once or twice a week, salmon can become a staple in your diet for better joint health. Number 7. Oranges, a vitamin C powerhouse. Oranges are often regarded as a refreshing fruit, but they offer much more than just a vitamin C boost. Vitamin C is a crucial nutrient for collagen production, which is the building block of cartilage. Without enough vitamin C, your body struggles to regenerate damaged cartilage, leading to stiffness, pain, and reduced mobility. In addition to supporting collagen production, oranges also contain bioflavonoids, which work alongside antioxidants to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Healthy blood flow ensures that essential nutrients are delivered efficiently to your joints, allowing for better repair and maintenance of cartilage. Beyond joint health, vitamin C also boosts your immune system, helping your body fight off illnesses and infections that could potentially worsen inflammation. Make sure to incorporate oranges into your daily routine. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, add them to smoothies, or squeeze fresh juice for a vitamin-packed drink. Number 6. Kale, the nutrient-rich green for joint health. When it comes to joint health, kale is one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can add to your diet. Packed with vitamin K and calcium, kale helps maintain bone strength, which in turn supports the structure of your cartilage. Vitamin K is particularly important because it helps your body manage calcium, ensuring that it is used effectively in your bones and joints rather than accumulating in undesirable areas like your arteries. Kale also contains magnesium, which aids in reducing muscle tension and supports nerve function. Magnesium and calcium work together to create a strong foundation for cartilage, helping preserve joint flexibility and strength. Another key benefit of kale is its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of cartilage breakdown, and by regularly consuming kale, you can help calm this inflammation before it leads to joint degeneration. Incorporate kale into your meals by adding it to smoothies, soups, or salads. You can even sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a delicious and nutrient-packed side dish. The more consistently you include kale in your diet, the better your cartilage will fare as you age. Number 5. Black beans, protein and antioxidants for cartilage. Black beans are often overlooked in favor of flashier foods, but they are incredibly valuable for maintaining joint health. They are rich in plant-based protein, which is essential for collagen production. Since collagen is a primary component of cartilage, consuming enough protein is critical for supporting cartilage repair and regeneration. In addition to protein, black beans are an excellent source of magnesium and zinc. Magnesium helps ease muscle tension, while zinc plays a key role in collagen formation, making it crucial for cartilage regeneration. The combination of these nutrients helps promote the repair and maintenance of cartilage over time. Black beans are also packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in joint tissues. This helps protect cartilage from premature breakdown, allowing it to remain healthy and functional for longer. You can easily incorporate black beans into your diet by adding them to salads, soups, or even making veggie burgers. The high fiber and nutrient content make black beans a simple yet powerful food for joint preservation. Number 4. Blueberries, tiny berries with big benefits. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also powerful when it comes to joint health. They contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect cartilage cells from oxidative stress. Over time, free radicals can cause damage to joint tissues, leading to cartilage breakdown. But with regular consumption of blueberries, you can give your body the tools it needs to prevent this damage and maintain healthy cartilage. Blueberries also promote better circulation, ensuring that essential nutrients are delivered to the joints to support repair and regeneration. As blood flow improves, the nutrients needed for cartilage maintenance reach the knees more effectively, leading to better joint health. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is easy. Simply toss a handful into your morning oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or snack on them throughout the day. They're a delicious and convenient way to boost your joint health and protect your cartilage from further damage. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Nourishment for cartilage. Repair. Sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for cell regeneration and helps protect joint tissues from the wear and tear caused by daily movement. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production, giving your cartilage the structural support it needs to remain strong and flexible. In addition to these benefits, sweet potatoes have natural anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce joint stiffness and discomfort. Chronic inflammation can damage cartilage over time, but by eating sweet potatoes regularly, you can help mitigate this issue. Baked, mashed, or roasted, sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Their ability to regulate blood sugar levels also helps prevent inflammation spikes that could damage cartilage, making them a great option for long-term joint health. Number 2. Extra virgin olive oil, a delicious anti-inflammatory. Extra virgin olive oil is not only a flavorful addition to your meals, but also a powerhouse for joint health. Oleocanthal, a compound found in olive oil, has strong anti-inflammatory effects similar to those of ibuprofen, making it a natural remedy for joint pain and inflammation. By reducing inflammation, olive oil creates an environment that allows cartilage to regenerate more effectively. In addition to its anti-inflammatory benefits, olive oil is also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which help protect cartilage cells from damage caused by free radicals. You can incorporate extra virgin olive oil into your diet by drizzling it on salads, using it for cooking, or even taking a spoonful each day. It's a simple and delicious way to enhance your joint health and protect your cartilage from further damage. Number 1. Chicken bone broth. The ultimate joint health solution. When it comes to regenerating knee cartilage, chicken bone broth is unmatched. Made from simmering chicken bones with water, vinegar, and vegetables, bone broth is rich in collagen, the main building block of cartilage. Collagen helps rebuild damaged cartilage and maintain the integrity and flexibility of joint tissues. In addition to collagen, bone broth contains glycine, an amino acid that supports tissue repair and the regeneration of cartilage. Bone broth is also packed with glucosamine and chondroitin, two compounds that are widely used in joint supplements for their ability to improve cartilage health. Making homemade chicken bone broth is easy. Simply simmer chicken bones for several hours, releasing all the beneficial nutrients into the broth. Drinking a cup a day can have a profound impact on your knee health, improving both flexibility and comfort. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by joint pain and believe that your knees are beyond repair, but what if the solution was simpler than you think? By incorporating these 9 powerful natural foods into your diet, you can support your body in regenerating knee cartilage and reducing inflammation, all while nourishing your body from within. The best part? These foods are natural, affordable, and easily accessible. Remember, healing your knees doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of consistency and small, mindful changes that build up over time. Incorporating these foods regularly into your diet can lead to noticeable improvements in your knee health, smoother movement, less discomfort, and more freedom in your daily life. Taking care of your knees isn't just about managing pain. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to repair itself. You don't have to resign yourself to chronic knee pain. With the right diet and commitment, you can restore your joints to their optimal health. So, don't wait. Start adding these joint-supporting foods to your meals today and feel the difference over time. And if you want more tips on how to stay active and pain-free, be sure to subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we'll explore even more life-changing health tips, including secrets from a 101-year-old Russian doctor on how to extend your lifespan. Click the screen now to watch and take another step toward a healthier, pain-free life. The power to heal your knees starts with you and the right food choices.